Hey folks, welcome back. Today we're at a different location, and the reason being said is because there's heat here. My shop, it's like 30 degrees outside, it's freezing cold, rainy. So I'm in a different location today because we have heat here and it's very warm and toasty. Matter of fact, I had a long sleeve shirt on and I had to come out of it. But anyway, so let me show you what we're gonna do today. We're gonna get this Hornet painted because I'm pretty much close to getting everything assembled on it, except for getting it painted. So let's take a look at it, see where we're at. All right, so I got everything blasted, got the fenders blasted, got a couple fan shroud pieces over here for the cover, top cover piece of the fan shroud, the major fan shroud covers right there. I'm gonna go ahead and paint that the same color as the bike. Got the forks done. Everything's been sandblasted and cleaned up, and I got it in self-etching primer. And the paint color we're gonna go with is, this is a duplicate color. Probably can't zoom in on the name of it, but it is, it's a BGM 0440, bright aqua matte. Anyway, picked this up at, I think O'Reilly's, but the color's kind of cool. It's gonna kind of resemble the factory color. I didn't want to go too flashy and crazy with it, but somewhat kind of original to the color, kinda. It was more of a blue, but anyway, I think this is gonna look really good. And then also I've never tried out their Duplicolor clear. So since it is Duplicolor, it's supposed to work well with the paint, because I know you can't mix certain acrylics and enamels together. So I figured we're gonna give this stuff a try it out. Like I said, I picked it up at O'Reilly's. It's a little on the pricey side. This can was like $12.99 and it's only 8-ounce can. But anyway, so I'm gonna lightly go over a few spots with some Scotch-Brite pad, get everything hung up. Got a tack cloth, cheesecloth. You can get like an automotive store. You can pick them up at O'Reilly's, auto parts stores like that. Wipe everything down. I'm gonna make sure and use rubber gloves while I'm doing it. And look at that heater up there in the background. Look at that. That baby's cooking. And I got another one right there. Oh yeah, it's toasty. So anyway, like I was saying, I'm gonna make sure and wear rubber gloves while I'm doing it. That way I don't get any grease from my hands on the paint and you get a bad spot. So if you're painting one, hey, get you some cheap rubber gloves. That way when you're doing stuff, you get a good finished product. You don't get greasy fingerprints in it. Because I'm telling you from experience, I know this. So I'm gonna get all this stuff, get it prepped and hung up, and maybe I'll give you a small video of some painting. So I gotta get everything prepped. See you in a second. Okay, I got everything all prepped. Went over it lightly with the Scotch-Brite pad, just real lightly, and got it all sanded down, all the fenders, the frame, and then I went over it with a tack cloth. Got my forks right there. And on this rack over here, got my fan shroud pieces. Move this down a little bit where I can get to it. And also unhook these to spray them. Other fan shroud piece, got the two fenders. So, all right, got everything ready. It's prepped. Let's make it shine. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera off. We'll see what it looks like here in a little bit. All right, I got the base coat laid down and it's been about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Heating here is pretty good, so I went ahead and gave it about a good 25 minutes, make sure everything is good and dry. Gave it a good look over with the flashlight in between coats and make sure like all the cracks and crevices, I got a good layer on it. So I got a real good 3 coats on it, and I think that ought to be plenty good. So now we're gonna hit it with the clear. But I'll let y'all take a sneak peek and see what it looks like. So, which actually didn't turn out too bad. It's still got like a matte finish to it, like a semi-matte look. But overall, it's real pretty color. It's kind of hard to tell if the camera's gonna get a good picture or not, but anyway, So yeah, I think it turned out real good. You can almost kind of see the camera in it, so it's kind of like a semi-gloss look. But got everything lined out, so we're fixing to hit it with the clear and let it sit in here overnight. Or actually, we'll let it sit in here till Sunday, then I'll come get it. That gives it plenty of good dry time. But anyway, let's clear it. All right, got the clear on it. I wish it'd be a little bit more clear. I got like 3 coats. That stuff does, in my opinion, the Duplicolor clear is, I don't know, it's okay. Had problems with the nozzles, not wanting to act right, kept cleaning the nozzle. I did shake the paint like it said, actually shook it longer than what it said. But it just didn't lay real clear like to my liking. But the color is really pretty, turned out great. But I don't know about the clear, y'all. I bought it with my own money, so I can voice my own opinion. I would definitely don't think I would try it again. Like I said, I got 3 cans of like clear over everything evenly, like it said. Waited at least 15 minutes between each coat. But it don't look bad. I mean, it laid down good, but I would like a little bit more gloss. But I just got done with it, so get around here. Maybe after it dries real good, it might look a little bit better. It's funny how I'm looking in the camera and it looks blue when it's actually like a turquoise color. Crazy. Anyway, well, we're gonna let everything dry overnight. Actually, this is Saturday, so we're gonna come let it sit in here all weekend, get good and cured, and see how it turns out. But that's a Duplicolor clear with the Duplicolor paint, whatever color that was on the can, I don't even remember. But it looks crazy. I'm looking through the camera and it's blue when it's actually a pretty turquoise color. I don't know. Maybe whenever the wife does the editing and films it, it'll actually show the real color. I don't know. We'll go from there. All right. We'll check y'all later whenever we get back to it.